following counties in California, Nevada, and Placer.
Oh shit, that's for
The
me.
National Weather Service in Sacramento has issued a flash flood warning for the river burn scar in Placer County in central California, Nevada County in northern California.
That's me.
Until 3 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time Monday. Pacific Daylight Time. Doppler radar indicated heavy rain over the river burn scar. Between 4 and 6.5 inches of rain have fallen over the last 24 hours. Additional rainfall amounts of 2 to 5 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. An intense narrow and heavy rain will impact the burn scar area within the next 30 minutes. Excessive rainfall over the warned area will cause mudslides near steep terrain. The mudslide can consist of rock, mud, vegetation, and other loose materials.
That's gunshots and more.
Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Heavy rain producing flash flooding in and around the river burn scar. Source, radar and automated gauges. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of areas in and around the river burn scar. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include the river burn scar around the Bear River watershed in Placer and Nevada counties west to southwest of Rollins Lake. If debris flows occur, this is an extremely dangerous, quick-moving, and life-threatening situation. Avoid the area in case of flooding or possibility of evacuation order. This is a life-threatening situation. Heavy rainfall will cause extensive and severe flash flooding of creeks, streams, and ditches in the river burn scar. Severe debris flows can also be anticipated across roads.
2-minute mark.